Hey, good morning. This is Craig Yancel from Farmwave. We're here at the Auburn University Research Station in Alabama. Thanks to our friend Simmer Verk here with the extension, and Andrew Sparks, whose operation we are on today. Today we're coming at you with our new industrial design of the Power Assembly Disconnect. This is an upgraded cabling, wire harness, and disconnect feature for the Farmwave Harvest Vision system. So we want to talk about this new Power Assembly Disconnect and how it's set up here. This is a bit of a shorter head, being that we are at the University Research Center. So there's going to be some extra cable here that you're going to see. But you come from your cameras and you come up into here. This essentially is the entire new disconnect. So this reduces the footprint from within the cab. This switch is no longer needed in the cab. It is inside here. This will have direct power. There is a DC connection that's kind of down here and has direct power that, depending on your make, model, machine, you can go right into the fuse panel, right into a 3-prong power plug, however you want to do it for your make, model combine, but direct power to this. So no need for the inverter in the cab anymore either. You have your standard rear combine cables, 50 foot. If you are running 2 cameras off the rear of the combine, then you'll be using both of these. If you are only using 1 camera, then you'll have a spare for, again, future features that we add into Farmwave. And this is your LAN cable that just goes directly up into the cab. However you want to, again, make, model, machine, find a path into the cab. And this is what plugs directly into the Farmbook tablet. But the biggest industrial upgrade that we have here is that this is your disconnect. 2 120-pound pole magnets, keeping this very secure on the feeder housing. Again, different make models. You can find different places that you want to mount this that's convenient for you, but it's a snap lock. This comes off. Here's your connections for your front cameras. Push on, and that's it. You're on. You now have power and data to both sides of the header, whether it's the standard 2 or, again, in peanuts if you're using all 4. All cameras now connected to the system. The Power Assembly Disconnect is standard on all new Farmwave Harvest Vision systems. If you're an existing customer and you'd like to upgrade, see the links in the description below.